engineers. We are a group of world-class engineers, industry experts, and design enthusiasts who came together for one great mission: to create the world's most extraordinary smartphone. A smartphone for those whose passion is to break the rules, set new records, and reach higher than anyone before. A smartphone for those who are not satisfied with anything but the very best. A smartphone that we call Prometheus. We've combined the beauty of art with the very best of engineering to create a product that is a striking beauty on the outside and a hell of a beast on the inside. We didn't cut corners, didn't make compromises, and didn't play it safe by any means. And the results are mesmerizing. But as always, creating such an extraordinary product requires great effort and even greater sacrifices. That is why we are asking for your help, pioneers. We need every single one of you to stand behind us in order to have a chance against the giants of our industry. A chance to create a better and more exciting future by standing together for one great mission. Right now, we are looking for the first 1,000 brave men and women who are willing to stand behind us for a mission that is greater than all of us. Are you one of them?